guys, uncoupling and coupling the trailer. So what you have to do, you have to go underneath it, okay, like that, and just get out and check the brake, check the level of the trailer. It is level. Check the brake is on. So this is down. And if you are not sure, just get out better. Soon I will be using this, but I am not sure about this because it's funny driving mirror truck. I don't trust them, so I need to get out. Let's see. This is not working. Let's see if they have here. No. What I will do, just check again. I don't trust the mirror. I don't want to miss the pin. Yeah, you see, if I carry on, I will miss the pin. This is not working. You see, it's not really high. That's terrible. Oh, what is that? That's it. As you can see, lads, you know, this has to be really high, otherwise you will miss the pin. If you miss the pin, it's not good. Let's hope I didn't miss the pin. Nope. You see, it's very hard. If you miss the pin, that's it. you will be in trouble. So put your that's it. That's why you have to take it easy. If you are not sure, just do it again and again. Start with the yellow fuses first, all the time. Then the red. The brake. This is so heavy, super heavy. Secure the load. You see, you have to strap. Look at that. I will use this one. And see another one. I will use this one. This is how you secure the load. Get this out. That's one secured. And the other. It's alright, I do it. Now it's too far away. That's it. Look at here. And that's secure. Put this sponge back. Don't forget your number plate. Put this just in case. And this just in case. And now you do your straps. Anyway, I will have to do all this on the other side. I hope you enjoyed this video.